How to log in Office 365. So if you want to log into your Office 365, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Microsoft 365, and here you will have www.office.com on the first search. You can simply click on sign in, which is here on the first, which has that Microsoft 365. You can go for the first search, and now you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. Click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, here you need to enter your email address or your phone number or your Skype. So enter your email address and then you can click on next. And once you enter your email address, here you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. And once you've done that, again click on sign in. And if you want to stay signed in, then click on yes. And that's it. Now you've been logged into your Microsoft 365. That's it. That's how you log into your Microsoft 365 account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.